Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to add Jack Black to your Minecraft world. As some of you guys know, the Minecraft movie is coming out this April. Well, this mod has added some features from this movie into the game. Firstly, it adds the iconic Jack Black Steve into your game. When you put him down, he also says this iconic line,
I am Steve.
Pretty accurate to the movie. There are also NPCs you can spawn in, but be careful because the NPCs in Jack Black don't get along too well. And also for some reason, the NPCs will also attack pretty much every other mob they see. It also adds a gassed airship just like you see in the trailers, and chain buckets. Lastly, it also adds a new music disc that adds all the music from the trailer. I can only play a small snippet here so we don't get copyrighted, but you get the gist. This mod isn't too out there, but the creator plans to add more additions when the movie comes out. For now, it's a pretty cool mod for pranking your friends. If you're interested in installing the mod on your server, we recommend following these steps. Firstly, head to the link in the description as that's where you'll find the mod. Then download the mod. Keep note that currently the mod is only available for Forge 1.20.1. This mod also requires the getColib dependency, so also ensure you download that for the same version. Again, the link will be in the description. Once you've got the files downloaded, head to Server.pro and into your service. Here you can either create a new service or head into configuration and make sure your current service is set to Forge and also 1.20.1. Once that's done, head to files and then into mods. There you'll just have to drag the getColib and Minecraft mod file in there. My files are not downloaded, so I'll just restart the server for the changes to take effect. Once that's done, make sure you copy the hostname as well. To be able to play with this mod on the server, you'll also need to make sure you have Forge installed for 1.20.1 and the mod and getColib installed on your computer. If you're not sure on how to do this, we have a tutorial that will assist you, so we'll leave the link to that in the description. Now, I've got everything set up, so I'll just be opening my Minecraft. I'll be pasting in my hostname and heading in. Now I can see that if I go in creative, I can then use the Minecraft movie mode. If you're having issues though, please make sure you go back and refollow the steps. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!